Guys, out like this right now because as y'all can see, my hair look a mess. But we're gonna do a get ready with me and spend a day with me because I need to post a video. So that's what we're gonna do, y'all. I'm about to show y'all my iPad. This is tragic. And so I paid for a warranty when I bought my iPad. I got the warranty, but they telling me it's still a cost. They only said like $50, but I'm a broke college student, so I'm gonna have to wait for this to get repaired. Y'all see it? Like, hello? Oh, please, I don't want hate. Instead, oh, I look a mess. I'm on my bed. I'm about to wash my sheets. Whole another day. Like, I forgot about my last vlog, y'all. But today is laundry day. Van just popped. I was gonna put another one in, but I'm about to do a ponytail. But I don't know. Let's do the laundry. I need to make sure that there's actually some washing machines open right now. I'm going to go see if washing machine is open. I'm gonna be really upset if it's not, but at least I didn't bring my clothes with me because I'd be mad if I have to direct them. Out of order. Out of order. I locked myself out of the room. I locked myself out my room. I locked myself out my room, bro. So now I have to go downstairs to ask somebody to unlock my door. I didn't vlog it, but I had to go to the, my bad now, man. I'm about to wash my sheets and stuff too, but I had to go to the first floor and wash my clothes because my friend Jeremiah, he told me he wasn't using both of them. So, and I think the ones on the third floor must be full too, so I didn't go there. But I forgot to vlog me putting them in there because people kept coming in and, you know, I didn't want everybody to be in the video like that. Y'all don't mind the curtain. The curtain keep falling and it's on punishment right now, so I'm leaving it down. She's on punishment in timeout. Let's take a shower because I got 2 timers on. I'm gonna take a shower, get myself together, get my clothes, then wash my sheets, and then I'll see you all as I'm doing that. Oh, I just put my clothes in the dryer. I'm going back upstairs to my room to get my sheets and stuff. About to wash my sheets. I gotta go in my room strip. Excuse me. Oh Lord. Okay, like I said, I gotta strip my bed naked. I gotta hurry because I just put Jeremiah pillow in the washing machine to hold my place. So I'm trying to rush so nobody else use it. Hold on, hold on. Goodness. So I got my clothes out the dryer. Let me tell y'all. So I got in the laundry room. Mind you, I always set my timer for, hold on, Connect's calling. Okay, so what was I talking about? So I always set my timers for my clothes like earlier. Like I do it before the time. My rubber bands keep popping. So I was trying to use this thing, but I don't know how to use this. I don't know how to use this. So I'll go downstairs when my timer go off. Mind you, my clothes not even done in the dryer. Why are my clothes sitting on top of the dryer? And it's two boys down there. I came down, I said, well, dang, I was coming to get my clothes. They was like, oh, those were your clothes. I'm like, bro. So I just had to come back upstairs and I was just coming to check my clothes, you know, to see if they was ready. So I had to come back and get my thing. And they put my sheets and stuff in the dryer for me. So that's not bad. But it's just like, I don't know, like in college, I do not like people touching my clothes. I don't touch other people's clothes. Like, I don't know, but I guess, you know, everybody be trying to use it. So I guess, but like, it wasn't like I was late waiting on my clothes. Like, hello. But I just got out the shower. I got on. I'm gonna show y'all the fit of the day. But I'm about to brush my teeth and stuff. For a while, and I just gotta let you know that I'm really feeling style. Cause I let you go delay and leave you with my number, and I hope that you will call me someday. If you want, you can give me your shoes. If you don't want my desire to, we can still be cool. You and bitches on the side and let my mind wander too. You let this nigga, I mean, brand nigga.
Text me like I'm waiting for you to come lie to me. All my things, they just hurt me, I can't compete. Still on the way I will give you not around me. I just want you, still go feel. Talk to me, you love language. Show me, girl. Call and connect to you, love me. Understand, how you speak. Your love language. As I wanna be yours. I can represent me like you do. Still, don't you get that work about me like you do. Don't you get the truth about me quite like you. You're the definition of a right hand. If I'm alright, it makes you feel leaving me. Talk to me in your love language. Show me, girl, how I connect to you. Help me understand how you speak. Your love language. Come in like it's just the past memories on me. Come in like it was confessions. You up like your last bitch. Look at you up, baby. Come in like it was them missing this old thing back on me. You the difference between me and chickens. Summer, I wish I could call you up. Let's have you put your love on me. Oh, you got my number. Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow like me. You never know when to chill. Always talk about keep it real. Only till you had your fill. Then you wanna cry ill will. Really thought you know the deal. Oh, well, I guess that's what happens. The two fools we falling in love. Big sense of pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. Yeah, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You don't even say what's up. Round your bush back so tough. Like you never been in love. Can't get over that dinner. Alone is why you don't enough. I promise you may think that I'm crazy. You should ask around about me. Put your trust in me, baby. Yeah. Wake from my supper. I wish I could call you up. Let's have you put your love on me. Hey, boy, you got my number. I wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow upon me. Hold on until the end. Hold on till you can't stand. I'll be clinging on to you. I'll be clinging on to you. And then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you. Coming back around to you. I'm coming back around, even on your worst day. Love you in the worst way. Circling around for eternity. Going through the motions eternally. Drifting on my own again. Reaching out to hold your hand. I wanna be alone with you. Can I be alone with you? Can I be alone with you? If you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. Oh, if you can, take my hand. I promise we'll find love again. I find say my name. You can miss around you, see, baby. While all the time that I was loving you, you were busy loving yourself. I would stop waiting if you told me to. Now you're busy loving someone else. 11 years of my life. Besides the kids, I have nothing to show. Wasted my years all for the night. I should have left your ass long time ago. I'm not gonna cry, I'm not gonna shed no tears. No, I'm not gonna cry all the time. Cause you're not worth my tears. Can't you well, I'm not gonna cry. I said I can't do it. I'm not gonna shed no tears. You are never worth my tears. The week, Sabbath job when no one else was there. Helping you get on your feet. 11 years of sacrifice. And you can leave me at the drop of a line. Swallow my tears, stood by your side. I should have left you as 1,000 times. Hey.
This is my last Sorry, I had to wait till the elevator closed. This is my last load. I could just carry this in my hand. It's my sheets and stuff. Then I think we about to go to the cafe. I haven't eaten. I'm hungry. Ooh.